From winter solstice, which is 22nd of December, to 21st of June, it is Uttarayana. In yoga, Uttarayana is Kaivalyapada. This is the period of receptivity, this is a period of enlightenment, particularly the first half till the equinox which comes in March. Human system is more receptive to grace.
This year, for the very first time, Sadhguru is offering a 5-day classical yoga workshop during the auspicious period of MahaShivRatri. The workshop will help stabilize the body and enhance one's receptivity to grace. It includes simple yet powerful Hatha Yoga practices, Yoga Namaskar, Yoga kriyas and Angamardhana, along with supportive sattvic food. We invite you to participate in this unique workshop and prepare for the powerful night of MahaShivRatri. The planetary arrangements on MahaShivRatri lead to a natural upsurge of energy in the human system. It is especially conducive for spiritual awakening.